Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to celebrate the extraordinary love shared between Michael and Ronalyn. Today you stand before us as the authors of your love story. You filled your chapters with shared dreams, supported each other during challenging times, and repeated countless inside jokes that may or may not have been funny.
One thing that you'll learn with Mike is you'll get honesty for the rest of your life. And then Mike is also, he's kind. We know Mike, right? Everybody loves Mike. He's a very kind soul. You know, he just gives and gives and gives. Here's to forever.
The blood of the covenant is thicker than the water of the womb. You know, that's what we're here to celebrate, is two people who aren't blood, but have unconditional love for each other.
Love is a force that transcends time and space. It's not just a feeling, but a choice that you make every day. It's choosing to stand by each other's side through the storms and sunny days, choosing to be each other's comfort, and choosing to find joy in the little things. So it is now time to make your promises to each other.
I love you more than words can express, and I am so grateful for the incredible journey we've shared. I have found my home and my heart's truest desires with you and Ruby. So, Mike, let's continue this amazing adventure together, hand in hand.
Those big milestones are things that I think of fondly and love, and they mark our time together. However, I cherish each and every day, good or bad, with you, because without those days, we don't get those huge milestones. I love you so much, and I can't wait to count it forever with you.
I wish you both a lifetime filled with love, understanding, and unwavering support. May you continue to grow together, build a family filled with love and laughter, and may your love always shine brightly even on the darkest days.
Rana, as a symbol of my love,
Mike, as a symbol of my love,
I give you this ring
with a pledge above all else,
to love and cherish you,
today and tomorrow.
always and forever.
It is my honor and privilege to declare you husband and wife. Mike, you may now kiss your bride.
Rana and Mike, take a deep breath and look around you. Take it all in, because this is all that you have created. You're a team. Continue to root for each other and remember how you got here. This is your story unlike any other. Through the highs and lows, you've proven to be there for each other.
Rana and Mike, love one another, not only embrace the good qualities of each other, but most importantly, learn also to accept or consider the weaknesses of each other. That's the biggest challenge of any married couple. Thanks again to all, and enjoy the rest of the evening. Let's party!